Well, working on a mini split that's having issues with no cooling. That might be the issue. There's absolutely nothing in there. We got a leak. There is on the bottom.
Yep. Oh, thank God it's not long. Ooh, don't let that happen. That's how I broke my last one.
Ooh. You know, it's funny because I already knocked one of these out too when I was last year.
Nice.
Oh, that does not feel good.
Does she have a dog?
Hold on, you can smell it.
Smell the refrigerant?
Yeah, you can smell the refrigerant. Yeah, that's where she's leaking.
There it is.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Just try nitrogen first to be the cheapest and safest.
Yeah,
So
it's an Apion one.
You're 100% she's empty?
Oh yeah.
Whoever taught you well.
Is that dye?
I think that's dye, bro. Smell it.
So she must have had them come back. She must have had someone else come back here and put dye in it. I don't think you're not supposed to put. I don't think
You're not supposed to put dye in these. No.
Yeah, you're not supposed to put dye in it. Yeah.
Where's water?
Do you have your gauge?
Yeah.
Here, we could.
Where's?
Yeah, there you go.
0, 0?
Well, 4.7, but pretty much. Oh, what happened to your little tippy?
Oh, you don't need it.
Oh, okay.
That was just for shipping. And down here on this side. You must have tightened it. Oh.
Oh.
There she is. It's this guy. Here, hold on. Just to be sure. Let's do this little motion right here.
Put the cap on.
Yep. And then do this. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, it's that. 110%. Since I use auto, it goes away.
Well, that last call that you guys saw with the mini split, this is actually probably a couple weeks later. We haven't done anything with it, haven't fixed it, nothing. The story on it is their general contractor had a couple guys come by and install it 2 years ago, and it's just been constant issues ever since. Well, I get there, it's flat. I tell her, hey, maybe reach out to them, try and get it fixed under warranty, you know, she'll save a lot of money. She tried that. The people that installed it are no longer in business. So now she's reaching out to the general contractor to see what he'll do. And apparently she gave him my number, and now I'm just waiting to see if I'm gonna fix this thing or not. So it's just a waiting game, but if I included the video in it, you'll see that she called the guy back in between me being there the first and second time, and he filled the system back up, but he also put either a dye or a leak sealant and dye in the system. And everyone knows when it comes to mini splits, you don't do that. So this will be an interesting one. If I ever get the call back to work on it, I'll definitely record it, and we'll see what we're gonna do about that dye that's in the system and all that. So, but that's the end of the video. I wish I had an update, or, you know, I wish we fixed it, but I'm just playing the waiting game. So we'll see you in the next one.